Unang alam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ha kasi thodian juga tayau ula Kynnoh ba u menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke Sangma bat u menteri ke sarkar jela u James PK Sangma bakila Donkti ha ka ban Jinghikai ki Samla bakin long ki Nongleh ki Beain. Habai keren begini patai kubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong baha unai luar jong usnam arjar khadnyau ki pulet jong kala imkra bila register ya kawai ka kes ha ka bai dei ba ka Beain ha ka ban top pisa ha ka leng kiri kentup apa ri India ha ka bala penya ya kawai ka call center ka ba shuthok ha SS netcom u Dr. Mukul laong ba u Conrad Sangma u James Sangma ba ki bahayeng jong ki dei ki board member jong ka SS netcom bat ka SS netcom kala thungkam ye ki Samla ki bawat kam ha kaliang ka information technology na ka jela bat na ka than ste la mingi bat ye kini Samla la pha lech pentibet ne ban yo Jinghikai ha Ahmedabad ha ka bai ka karkhana thok ya ka bala tep kum ka Irfan Faisal and Ahmed IFA ulong bakini ki Samla ha bakila pendep ya ka jing pentibet trekam kilawan pha sha shalong bat la batha ye ki ban Jinghikai kala ye ki wei pat ki khna bala Jinghikai ye kini ki Samla ban le ye ki Beain ulong baka IFA kala shimwa ya ka jakatre jong ka SS netcom bat kala Jinghikai ki Samla ban le men le kum ki Internal Revenue Service IRS jong ka United States of America ha ka bala pha ye ki non-residents Indian ban siwe ka khajna bat ban penshitam ye ki kat kum ki kendon an lada kim siwe ka khajna u Dr. Mukul laong baki pulet ki batoket ya kani ka kam kila sa pen kan ria kam no sawai pat khamtam haba kani ka Beain kala jah po SS netcom bat u Conrad Sangma u James Sangma baki bahayeng joki ki persang ban penduk pendam no ki sabut jong ka jing toket bat kla penbor ki pulet ban chart sheet no ya kani ka kes wat la ompat la ban pendep lut ya ka jing toket kani ka Beain kalong ka serkai om tang baka ja ha keleng kiri handrei kala Jinghikai ru ye ki Samla ka jela ban long kiri sniu bat ban le ki kam sniu u Dr. Mukul laong ba ka sarkar jela ka dei ban penlong no mador ye ka jingelang jong ka State Security Commission bat ka dei ban ye ka jubam halor ka jing pen kria kam ye ki pulet ka jela.
After the election there has been change of government or no change of government, the process of law must continue as they should. But what has happened is that I'm afraid it is not happening. It is not happening. There is an attempt to derail this whole process of investigation in as far as this case is concerned. And this is because I have a copy of this letter written by the then SP of East Khasis Shillong. The case which I am referring to is Lamukra Police Station case number 134/2017, registered on the 28th of August 2017 under section 120B 419 420 465 34 201 IPC and 66D of IT Act for allegedly running a fake call center in the premises of SS netcom. Now I will tell you the background of this case. What has happened is that SS netcom has recruited some of the job seekers for IT-enabled services from Shillong and from Meghalaya and from Northeast. And these recruited youth, job seekers, were then trained in Ahmedabad by one fake company called IFA, Irfan, Faisal and Amit, that is the nickname. And interestingly, the Faisal Khan is the fake name of Mr. Sunny Mukherjee. So they have fake names. You know who used to take fake names? You have all those names, alias this, alias blah, 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 you know. When people intend to engage in criminal activities, people take fake names. Before you rent out your premises to anybody, won't you try to verify, are they so novice? And at the same time, not only renting out, they also train these youth who were recruited by them by the same organization, and they brought back to Shillong these trained people, And the same trained people were again asked to train some more boys and girls here. And that's how it came to know. It came to be known. Now, what was the thing that was alleged to have been happening there is that the bulk SMSs are sent to the targeted citizens of United States of America, particularly the non-resident Indians. And they are reminded of their discrepancies in respect of their tax returns and relevant penal action which can be proceeded against them as per the law. And then they are asked to call back to certain number which were dealt by these people who are trained to receive the call and then impersonate as IRS officials. So the people were trained to be capable of impersonating IRS officials. IRS. Now, you are talking about this level of criminal activities that was designed to be committed by this youth. And so some of the youth ran away. And that's how we got the tip. And that's how the whole process, the resultant arrest and other things happened. Now this case, while being investigated, these officers concerned have been transferred. I came to know recently, that's why I'm telling it now. Because they are tampering on the whole process of law. Because police officers are part and parcel of the administration of justice. Now, this particular case relates to a case that has happened in the premises of SS Netcom, of whose honor you all know. It includes Mr. Conrad Sangma, it includes Mr. James Sangma and their family members. And they have tempered upon the whole process of investigation, and they have tried to force the police to submit incomplete charge sheet in the court without even completing investigation, without even going through the proper investigation to verify what are those available data and informations in the seized laptops and seized gadgets and all the transcripts. Who are the mastermind? Therefore, it's a dangerous case. It's a dangerous case not only because of its international ramification, but also because it involves training of our youth to become criminals and engage in criminal activities.